Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you how I did this makeup look, and also I will be using some new tricks for those of us with super dry skin and those of us who are almost hitting 40 years old. So I do have a lot of problems in this area right here, and I'm always hunting for new hacks or anything that can help me, you know, look younger or less lines in that area. So I will be using new hacks that I found out there, and I have to tell you that they're pretty good. I will be using these products that I just got in the mail, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get started.
First, we're gonna start with a fresh face. I'm gonna go ahead and start by moisturizing my skin. All of the items that I will be using today will be listed in the description box. Right after that, you want to make sure those lips are also moisturized. And then I like to start applying a primer, and when I do this, I try to massage it on my face like so, especially on that eye area, just to make sure I get it in there, in those little fine lines. Then I'm gonna move on to do my eyebrows, and for that I use a brush like this one. This one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and practically I just lined up my brows. I did have them microbladed a while ago, so the shape is there. So all I have to do is fill it in, and then to place those hairs in order, I do like to apply this gel. Now for the lids, I will be applying this concealer from Huda Beauty, and I'm just gonna go ahead and you know, just blend it out with a brush, and then I like to also blend it out with my fingers. And today, the beauty of the day, I will be using the Papaya Pop palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with this beautiful light pink shade. I will be using a blending brush, and I will be applying it all over the lid of the eye like so. Then with the same brush, I'm gonna go back and pick up this shade. It is a peachy type of color shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it right underneath the transitional color that we applied. And then I'm gonna go back with a smaller brush and emphasize that shadow right here on the crease of the eye, focusing on the outer corner of the eye, and then I will be bringing it inward like so. I'm gonna go back to the previous shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop it right on top of that purple. That is just so it's blended out nicely, and you're gonna see me going back and forth with the same shades that we use, and that is so everything is nicely blended. Here I'm picking up a lighter shade just to, you know, blend it out even more. And for the lid of the eye, I will go with this pink shade, and if you want that color to pop even more, just wet your brush, and there you have it. Then I will be applying another primer. This one is from e.l.f., and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it with a brush. Today for a foundation, I will be using this one from L'Oreal, and it is the first time I used it, and I really do like it. It does give you a matte finish, but at the same time is glowy. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with a brush previously wet with some setting spray, and then I like to go in with a beauty sponge. It is also damped, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pat it on the skin, and you know, that's gonna give me more of a flawless type of application. Now this is the trick that I was talking to you about. I'm gonna go ahead and get this beauty sponge, spray it with some setting spray, which this one is from Too Faced. It smells wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of that setting spray first, and then I will go in with that concealer. I'm gonna go back with that same sponge and just blend it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more on those areas that I need to. And here what I want to make sure that doesn't happen is those lines just coming out, especially underneath my eyes. And it seems that this trick, it is working. So let's see. We'll see by the end. Now for the waterline, I will be applying a purple color, and then I will be using the same colors that I did for the eyelid on the bottom lid, so everything blends out. And for a pop of color, I will be using this golden shadow. I will be placing it right in the inner corner of the eye. Now I will be doing a very subtle eyeliner, and for that I will be using the one from e.l.f. and that is just so I have a base for my lashes. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And with a crayon, this one is from Ulta, I will be placing it on the upper waterline. I like to do this trick because when you are wearing your lashes, you don't have that flesh line right there, so it kind of blends everything out. And I will be using these lashes from Kiss, but what I wanted to try was to cut them like so. I don't know, I've been wanting to do this for a while, so why not? Let's try it. And the end result was quite cute, if you will. It looks like one of those lashes that have a space in the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them dry, and then I will move on to my contouring. And for that I will be using the Natural Face from Too Faced. I love these products, and I mean, they blend out so easily. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this bronzing on my forehead, jawline. And then I will move on with the blush, and look how subtle it looks. Now do not forget to contour your nose. I do use a little contouring. I don't go crazy with it. You know, I just apply some shadows like so, and I'm using the same bronzer from the palette. I wanted a golden type of highlight, so I will be using this one, and it's subtle but you can certainly see it. I will also be applying it on my nose like so. Now for the lips, I wanted something very subtle but then on the pink family, so I will be using this combo that I created, I guess. This one is from ColourPop. The pencil is from ColourPop, and I will be using this pink lippie. And this is the final result, all ready for summer. Anyway, my friends, that is it. I hope that you like this tutorial, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.